Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron pictures on t-shirts. First, gather your essential materials: a clean t-shirt, your printed transfer paper, and a firm, heat-resistant surface. Make sure your iron is spotless and set to the specific temperature recommended by your transfer paper's instructions. It is crucial to preheat your iron for at least 5 minutes to ensure it reaches the optimal, consistent heat needed for a successful transfer. Now, lay your t-shirt smoothly on a hard, heat-resistant surface, such as a sturdy table or countertop. Carefully position your printed image face down exactly where you want it to appear on the fabric. Begin ironing by applying firm, even pressure across the entire image. Work in small sections, pressing each area for about 20 to 30 seconds, ensuring consistent heat application over the whole design. Once you have ironed the entire image, it is crucial to let the transfer cool down completely. This usually takes several minutes. Resist the urge to peel it immediately, as premature peeling can ruin the design. Once cool, gently lift a small corner of the transfer paper to check if the image has adhered properly. Then, slowly and smoothly peel off the backing paper at a consistent, shallow angle. To ensure your newly ironed picture lasts a long time, proper aftercare is essential. Wait at least 24 hours before the first wash. When washing, turn the t-shirt inside out and use cold water on a gentle cycle. This protects the image from direct friction and harsh temperatures. Always avoid using bleach or strong detergents, as these can significantly degrade the transfer's quality and appearance over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.